Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you app layout setting, and in this video we will talk about, and guys I will show you how to change app layout on realme phone. Friends, you want to change your phone app layout setting, so how to change and use app layout setting, let's see. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your realme mobile. Friends, click on this personalized setting, and friends click on app layout setting. So friends, you can see column and row. So friends, you want to change your phone column, so you can change column, and friends you can change row also. So friends, you can see home screen layout will change on our realme phone device guys. And friends, you want to change into three same, like three column and three row guys same. So you can set like four guys, four we will set four column and four row. Friends, you want to change column, and guys you want to change row, so you can change six row and guys two column guys I will change. So friends, you can see six row and two column will change on our realme phone device. So like that guys, you can use app layout setting and you can change guys from here. And friends, you can see your phone icon colors. So friends, you want to change this color, so you can select color friends, and guys you can change. So friends, your this side icon color will change. And friends, you can see icon style. Friends, you want to change your phone icon style, so you can change your icon style, you can change your icon size. App name friends, you want to increase, you can increase right side, you can decrease left side. So I will back. Friends, you can see font and display size. Friends, you want to change font size, you want to change display size, you can change from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to change app layout and how to use app layout setting on realme phones. Bye guys.